In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export days off from Zoho People. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The export option we need is located inside the Leave Management area, so we will begin from the left side navigation. First, look to the left sidebar and click Leave Tracker. This section is where Zoho People organizes leave and holiday information, including the reporting tools that make exporting simple. After you select Leave Tracker, take a moment for the page to load fully, so the top menu options appear. Next, go to the top menu and select Reports. Reports is the area that turns your leave and time off data into a format you can review, filter, and export. This is especially helpful when you need to share time off details with a manager, keep records for payroll, or store documentation for your own tracking. Inside Reports, choose Holiday Report. The Holiday Report view is commonly used to capture day-off information in an organized layout. Depending on your account setup, you may see data for specific teams, locations, or date ranges. Before exporting, it is a good idea to quickly scan the report on screen to confirm you are looking at the correct period and the right set of entries. This helps you avoid exporting incomplete or incorrect information. Once you are on the Holiday Report page and everything looks correct, move to the top right corner of the screen. You will see an export icon that looks like an arrow. Click that export icon to open the export options. Now select your preferred file format. Choose Excel if you want a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, or edit after downloading. Choose PDF if you want a fixed, print-friendly file that is easy to share and keeps the layout consistent. After selecting Excel or PDF, click Export to begin the download. When the file finishes exporting, save it to a location you can easily find, and consider naming it clearly with the date range or reporting period for quick reference later. And that is all there is to it.